Hi, this is Soumya Acharya. I am the author of the Amazon bestseller, The Power of Emotional Healing, and the founder of High Performing Teens. Today, I have an interesting topic to share with you, and that is how do we 100x our productivity? Now, if you are a teenager or a young mind, this video is a must watch for you, and I'm sure this is definitely going to be helping you in the ways you perform your work or do your work. Alright, so let's quickly get started. Now, in today's world, focus is something which is very, very valuable. We have lost our focus in the world of distraction. Focus is something which is even more valuable than our intelligence. Now, if you are not able to focus, no matter how intelligent or smart you are, you won't be able to do the things that you're supposed to be doing. And that is what is happening in today's world. There are so many distractions in the world. The world is getting chaotic. And we are so used to seeing our social media profiles. We are so used to scrolling up the news feed. We are so used to seeing the reels of Instagram. We are so used to seeing the videos that comes in TikTok. Youngsters especially are lost in today's world. And focus is something which we really need to develop if we want to play our A game, which only most people, the 5% of people in the world, are doing it. Now, if you want to be at the level of those 5% of people, you are supposed to be doing the things that only those 5% of people do in the world. And that is, they focus on their craft. They avoid distractions. They play the A game. And if you want to be there, you need to be doing that, exactly that, which most of our younger generations are not able to do. They are just distracted and wail away their time on social media and TV and whatnot. Alright, so I'm just going to be giving you some tips or protocols on how to improve your productivity. And the first strategy or philosophy is the 90-91 protocol, and this is something that I learned from my mentor. It is simply focusing on one particular task for the first 90 minutes of your day, every day, and for 90 days. Focus on one important task which is very important for you, which is going to be helping you be productive and efficient. Focus on that one particular task for 90 days in the first 90 minutes of your morning routine, and see the difference that it makes. It will not only help you improve your focus, improve your concentration, and improve your attention, it will also help you cultivate a habit. Right? So that's the most important protocol which I respectfully suggest to each one of you to follow, doing it for at least 90 days for the first 90 minutes of your day, every day in the morning, and focus on that one particular task which you want to do, which is very crucial for you. Alright, the second protocol is focus on your ecosystem. Tighten your ecosystem. Your ecosystem is definitely going to be defining how productive or how well you're going to be performing, either in your school, if you're studying, if you're a student, or if you're a younger mind who is in your 20s, if you're in your workplace, the way you do your work, it is going to be depending on that, right? So your ecosystem is very crucial to determine how productive or how efficient you're going to be in your day-to-day life. So there are three aspects to it: people, places, and pursuits. It's almost like the three faces of a triangle, right? So the first thing that I suggest to you to concentrate on is with respect to the things that you do. the pursuits that you follow, the places that you are in, the places that you visit. Keep your place clean. It can be your workplace, it can be your room, it can be your house. You need to be very careful with respect to how you keep your place, because a messy place is a reflection of a messy mind. So if you want to be organized, if you want to be, full of energy, you need to ensure that the place you live, or the place you visit, or the place that you work is organized and structured. And when there are less objects anywhere, be it any place, there is less chaos. So only focus on having those minimalistic stuff which is absolutely essential and crucial for you to function. Don't stuff things in your place. Keep it structured and organized. So have a minimalistic approach, right? So that's the first key thing that I would like you to focus on. Next is with respect to people. Now choose your peer group very carefully, be it your friends, be it your colleagues, be it your peers, be it your influencers. Majority of us just keep focusing a lot on giving a lot of attention to the entertainment influencers, which is not bad if you do it at a certain limit. But if you want to really improve your life and productivity, you need to see people who are already there and follow them. You need to follow billionaires. You need to follow people who are inventors, who are change makers, who challenge the status quo, who are great mentors. Everybody needs a mentor. So those are the people you need to follow and get influenced from. Why? Because there is science behind it. There's something called mirror neuron system. And if you go back thousands of years back, when we were a tribal community living on the savannah, whenever there was an eureka moment, the dominating person, whoever came up with an eureka moment, like lighting a fire or finding a route to something or killing an animal, people who are followers of the dominant people started mimicking them and imbibing their behaviors. And that happens subconsciously. It's not a conscious effort. A person who is very dominating, who is a leader, is obviously followed by his followers. And we always long for that social interaction. So when we know that there is something which is working and there is a person who is exhibiting a strong trait, we automatically observe that trait. Right? Now the same situation might not be applicable in this scenario, but the situation is almost the same. The mirror neuron system still works the same. Right? Now in the modern era, we are surrounded by people. And if you are surrounded by people who are playing victims, who are gossiping, who are blaming, who are negative, who are toxic, and if you have such 5 people around you, you're going to be the 6th one. You are the average of 5 people. So choose your peer group carefully. Choose your friends carefully. If you want to play your A game, you need to be with A game players. You need to be with high performers. If you surround yourself with high performers, their energy, their creativity, their thinking, their performance, their thought process, the way they speak, the way they communicate, the way they articulate things, you start learning all these important characteristics subconsciously and you become the next person, right? So it is very crucial that you follow these protocols and ensure that you surround yourself with the right people. All right? There is something called emotional contagion as well. Now, I spoke about associating yourself with the high performer peer group of friend circle. Choose your friend circle. Now, there is also something called emotional contagion. So, we are all emotional beings, right? So, the way we react or interact with others, everybody are vibrating at a particular emotional level, at a particular emotional or an energy level, right? Now, if we associate ourselves with those people who are vibrating at a low frequency, low emotional level, which is toxicity, which is anger, sadness, hopelessness, who are always onto blaming others and pulling others down. You are going to be taking away those emotional characteristics of that person yourself, and you yourself are going to be vibrating at that low frequency. So because humans have the tendency to vibrate at that particular emotion and at that particular energy level, right? Now if you want to up your game, you need to be with people who are positive, who are action takers, who are courageous, who wants to do something great in life, who has ambition. And if you associate yourself with such people, you are definitely going to be imbibing those characteristics from them, though you don't have it right now, because the people you surround are the influencers of your life. So please be careful of whom you let inside your life. All right, so that's very crucial. And again, as I said, the third thing is be minimalistic. Follow the 80-20 principle even in your day-to-day life. Focus on that 20% of the work that would give you 80% of the result. Now if you have too many things on your plate, you won't be able to concentrate on anything efficiently. You will be distracted. Now if you want to focus, you need to know what thing that you need to work on that particular day for you to focus on that activity completely without any distraction. Now let's say you're focusing on 20% of your time on the 80% of the task. Which task is going to be taking your time? Which task are you going to be concentrating on? You will be distracted because your mind is going to be messy. It is going to be calculating things on how to complete each of the activity. It will be focusing on completing the activity instead of giving your 100% to every activity. So it is better to focus on one particular task which is going to give you 80% of the result and completely give your attention to that. Maybe if you have many tasks, break that into smaller chunks. Break that into bigger tasks, medium chunks and smaller tasks. Right? Maybe you can pick one bigger task, one small task, one medium task and 2 to 3 small tasks for a day. Right? And this is what is going to be giving you the 80% of the result based on the urgency and impact or the priority of that particular task. It's impossible to do everything every day. So you need to choose what is important, which is going to give you 80% of the result and start doing that particular task. Right? And if you roll up all your sleeves and focus on that particular task, giving all your 100%, giving your heart and soul to that particular task, you will be able to produce world-class work. And that is what A players do. And that's what leads to their efficiency and productivity. Alright, so I really hope you guys take these suggestions seriously and try and implement this in your life, and please let me know how much these tips and these strategies have helped you in your life. I would be more than happy to have your comments and remarks. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video till the end. In case if you want to stay connected with me, I have provided the link of my private Facebook group. Again, the links are in the description below. You can click on the link and join my group, wherein I share more of such insights about performance, productivity and improving your personality. And also I have a very special gift for you. If you are a person who are struggling to manage your time, I have a special resource guide which will give you some strategies on how you can improve your tactics on time management, some great strategies on improving your time management. So if you want to have that downloaded copy, again click on the link in the description below and you can have your free resource guide. Alright, so thank you so much for watching the video. I hope this video has been of some value to you, and in case if you found the value in this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any videos that I post going forward. Alright, thank you so much. Cheers. This is Soumya Acharya signing off. Bye-bye.